we got a crazy one for you guys today. Let's just say it involves the mini bike. Oh, not quite. A ramp and our pond. I'm guessing you know what's coming.
All right, so we are in the process of putting this little ramp together. Kitty. So our plan right now is to come up here. Boom, 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 boom.
This is the ramp that I built for Sawyer for the mini bike. You know, all we had to do is just look at that. Perfect.
Grab some like 3-inch screws.
We got something built. I don't know if you could call it a ramp, but just picture this.
Oh my God. With some screws, yeah.
Sawyer, what are you doing? Sawyer! Oh my gosh!
Holy. Come on.
He's got it! Oh yeah, she got a wash, baby!
Wait, let's drain it.
Oh, the rope's right up in the back.
Look at it coming out of the exhaust pipe!
Holy crap. Oh, look at the pond.
Dude.
Look at the pond. Bad, I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. This isn't an EPA violation.
Oh my God.
The sad part is this is the cleanest this thing's ever been in like 5 years.
All right, me and Willie just got off of work and we are gonna find something to do in the garage. Willie is going to hop at, in the meantime, Will's gonna hop at, in the meantime, Will is going to hop on the mini bike and get after it. Ah! And he blew the chain. Now we sit and wait till he fixes the chain and rides back. It seems as if we have a visitor. I think I hear an LS. I do.
You do?
Like the chain fell off, of course, so I had to fix it, and I'm trying to start and it won't start up, and I just realized I hit the kill switch by accident.
See ya, Willie.
See ya!
Again!
Take the piece of shit!
Oh. Yes, brother. What's up, guys? Me and Guap just chilling out in the garage, and today we are gonna cook some hot dogs out of the fire. I don't know what Gitch's doing, but we are going to pull down this motor and see what we can find in there. So yeah, we'll jump into the time lapse and talk to you later.
Hello, Throttle Squad. It's a little dark outside, but I have a mission. Have to find a hot dog prong for the cheddar, jalapeno, sausages. Made it to the beach house. Mission find hot dog prongs. Is a go. I was a hot dog prong, where would I be slumbering? Fishing pole, hat, more fishing poles. This might be harder than I thought. Gosh darn it. I made a dummy. I found the smart dog prongs. Yippee! Okay. Now we don't toot them. Alright, bro. How's she coming along?
Pretty good actually. Right now I'm throwing some kerosene in the oil spot so I can flush it out. Alright, kerosene coming out. Well, whatever else is in there. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Ew. Oh my.
Yummy.
Don't look like oil, do it? Yeah, I don't think that's oil.
Alright, so with a lot of oil and grease and dirt and everything on my hands, and like about an hour, put back together in an hour. Got the motor put back together. I gotta throw the exhaust on, throw some gas in it, throw some fresh oil in it. And then I'm gonna try to start it, because I do not feel like rebuilding the whole entire inside of it. And I don't think it needs it.
I have faith. I think
So I drained the oil area